Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we're understanding how to create a dispatch document using a created order. So we know that there are different methods where we can create a dispatch document. The first can be going into the dispatch module under the inventory management, where we can directly create a dispatch by selecting the set of items. Then we can create a dispatch using an invoice which is created in the system. And thirdly, we can create a dispatch using an order. So if there's, just take an instance where we are creating a new order. So I'd be just selecting the customer name quickly, and I'll be selecting status. I'll now select the set of items that have to be placed in the order. So let's say product A, product B. Let's say 5 quantities of this and 6 quantities of this have to be prepared for this order. I click on create to create the order. So this respective order, you can see, has been created. The packing status is pending. The order status has been order placed, and you can see that it has not been invoiced. So this respective order, let's say you've now created the order and you're now trying to dispatch the document. So you can click on 3-dotted button where you can click on create dispatch document. Once you click on that, it would then ask you to select your warehouse from where the stock has to be reduced. You could select the respective warehouse and the employee who is doing the service. Going down, you can also find the order details pre-populated, the order number and order date being visible. So here you can select the item for dispatch. You can either click on the drop down where you'll be able to look at only those specific items which are in that order, or you could search them by a barcode scanner also. So I would just select those items again quickly, and I can again choose the quantity which you want to now dispatch. So the ordered quantity I can see is 6. I can choose to do a partial dispatch if there are only partial items available right now, or I can choose to do it completely. So let us take 4 items of this and 3 items of this and click on create. Now I can see the status changed as partially dispatched. I can also head back to inventory and stock and my respective warehouse to look at the respective items being reduced from my stock. So this is how I can look at orders and dispatch document creation using orders. So the respective order is partially dispatched. I can again choose to click on create dispatch document to complete the final order. So again, I would choose the warehouse selected where I have to reduce the stock from, and again I'll select the set of items which I want to now dispatch. So in my case, let's say now I want to quickly do a dispatch of 2 items. So I will do that and I'll click on create. Now I'm also be able to look at the packing status being complete. So this dispatch has now been completed, and we can now see the invoice being completely dispatched. So the order has been completely dispatched, and this is an easy way how we can manage our dispatches using our orders. Thank you for joining.